Local news for Tuesday, the 11th of February. Wairarapa members and supporters of the Public Service Association will protest tomorrow at around 1:45 outside the offices in Perry Street. There's a proposal by Healthcare New Zealand to disestablish 200 jobs around the country and instead centralise services to Auckland. Healthcare New Zealand provides home care and support to vulnerable people for multiple DHBs and manages community houses that provide 24-hour support for people with disabilities. The Lions have organised to meet the candidates evening tomorrow night, held in Greytown at the town centre at 7pm. Voters will have the chance to hear from Simone Baker and Hilary Wilkie, two Greytown Community Board candidates. And Masterton is back under a total outdoor watering ban. Meanwhile, South Wairarapa residents can now water on alternate days. South Wairarapa Mayor Alex Bain says no significant rainfall is forecast, so we'll need to be careful. A close eye will be kept on water consumption and outdoor water restrictions will be reassessed in a week's time. And finally, the finalists have been decided for the Norwood New Zealand Rural Sports Awards in Palmerston North next month. The Toyota Lifetime Legacy Award has 3 finalists, and Shearer Greg Herrick from Carterton is one of those finalists. Well done. Games are set down for the 14th and 15th of March. For local news and sport, kia ora, I'm Brent Gare.